Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to show you how to make a professional Gmail account. So first of all you have to open Google Play Store. Now top right side you will see the profile icon. Tap on it. Now you will land here. Here you have to tap on switch account. Here you can see all the Gmail accounts signed in on your phone. Now you have to see add another account. Tap on it. Now place your finger on the fingerprint sensor and then you will land here. Now you have to see create account. Tap on it. Further you have see two options. The first one is for my personal use and the second one is for my work or business. Tap on first one. Now here you have to enter your first name or your full name and then tap on next. Now you will land on the basic information dashboard. Here enter your date of birth and select your gender and then tap on next. Now here you have to enter your unique username and then tap on next. And then you will land here. Now enter a strong password here that you can remember. For example, your name with some number or special character. And then tap on next. Now you will land review your account information dashboard. Tap on next. And then you will land here. Scroll down. Now tap on agree. Now you have to navigate the Gmail app on your phone. Tap on Gmail app. Now top right side you will see the profile icon. Tap on it. Here you can see all the Gmail accounts signed in on your phone. Select the Gmail account that you create a few moments ago. Now tap on the profile icon again. Now tap on manage your Google account and then you will land here. Now you will see security and sign in. Tap on this option and then you will land here. Scroll down. Here you will see recovery phone. Tap on this option. Now place your finger on the fingerprint sensor. And here you have to tap on add recovery phone. Now select your country and enter your phone number and then tap on next. Now confirm your phone number and tap on save. Now you can see your recovery phone number is added. Even if you forget your Gmail password, you will be able to recover it very easily. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.